In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Merchant Center Next with Google Ads. If you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts and enhance the reach of your online store, connecting your Google Merchant Center with Google Ads is an essential step. Before diving into the process, it's important to make sure you have a few things in place. You'll need an active Google Merchant Center Next account and a Google Ads account with admin access for both. These accounts are crucial as they form the backbone of this integration. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.google.com/retail. This will take you to the Google Retail page where you'll find the option to sign in. Click sign in and choose sign in to Merchant Center. This is your first step into the process, bringing you to the dashboard where you can manage your products and feeds. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click it. This will open up a menu with several settings and options. From this menu, you will want to select Apps and Services. This will lead you to the place where you can manage various connections that enhance your Merchant Center capabilities. On the next screen, look for the section titled Google Services. Here you'll see an option to add a service. Click this button to proceed. At this point you're on the path to integrating Google Ads with your Merchant Center account. Select Google Ad from the list of options, then click Next. This action sets the stage for your accounts to begin working hand in hand. You'll be prompted with a few follow-up steps designed to guide you through connecting the accounts. Make sure to follow each prompt carefully, as these are set out by Google to ensure the process is as seamless as possible. As you go along, keep an eye out for the Link Google Ads to Business Manager section. When you get there, you will see an option labeled Link. Click this button to formally connect your Google Ads account with your Merchant Center. Once all these steps are completed and the action is approved, congratulations, your accounts are now linked. With this connection established, you can start leveraging product feeds from the Merchant Center within your Google Ads campaigns. This not only helps in managing your ads more effectively, but also ensures your products reach the right audience, maximizing the impact of your marketing efforts. Setting up this integration is a significant step toward optimizing how your store communicates with potential customers. And there you have it, a complete guide on linking these valuable tools in under 5 minutes. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.